Being certified to ISO 14001 by an accredited registrar verifies that you have an efficient environment management system in place to monitor your processes. The standard requires top management to commit and lead the implementation and maintenance of best environmental practices. Where there is commitment and engagement from the top, the rest of your staff will follow. If being environmentally responsible is important to you, becoming certified to ISO 14001 has many advantages. First, the certification can improve an organization's reputation for being environmentally responsible and, therefore, strengthen relationships with customers who share the same value. Second, it can open doors to new clients who require suppliers like you to be ISO 14001 certified and provide a competitive advantage over competitors who are not certified. Third, ISO 14001 allows you to identify the environmental issues that apply specifically to how you conduct business. The standard also guides you in the management, monitoring, and control of these environmental issues while helping identify the risks and opportunities associated with your environmental goals. Lastly, the certification process ensures that your environment management system has been implemented and maintained correctly. It also identifies opportunities for improvement and potential risks that you may have missed. ISOP Solutions is the right partner for your ISO 14001 needs because of our experience, technology, flexibility, and commitment to customer service. We simplify the implementation process by using our NIST 800-171 compliant, GDPR compliant, and ISO 27001 certified cloud-based platform. Facilitate education and acquiring CEU credits through our online LMS, offer flexible financing options to meet the needs of any organization, and be the partner that's with you every step of the way. If you're looking to get started on your ISO 14001 certification process or are in the market for a better implementation partner, reach out to us to speak with one of our ISO experts today.